Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is llyn, which means lake. Llyn, as in, mae llyn yn ddwfn. The lake is deep. Llyn, lake.